You get one chance to make the first impression. And that's exactly what onboarding is. But let's be honest, a lot of companies treat onboarding like a quick checklist, new hire paperwork, a rush tour, maybe a few safety reminders, and then straight to work. And then they wonder why people leave after a week or a day. A strong onboarding process does way more than just get somebody started. It builds confidence, it sets expectation, and it makes sure your team is trained, safe, and ready to succeed. Because when somebody walks in on day one, they're not just learning a job, they're figuring out if they belong there. When onboarding is rushed or unclear, here's what happens. Higher turnover in the first 30 days, more accidents due to confusion and lack of safety training, lower productivity, and a lot more time spent retraining and replacing workers. That's time, money, and energy you can't afford to waste. At Voyage Employer Services, we work with our clients to create an onboarding that actually works. Here's what's included. Clear job expectation right from the start, site-specific safety training, compliance paperwork that's actually explained, a welcoming environment that sets the tone. When employees feel prepared, they perform better. When they feel supported, they stay longer. Companies that invest in onboarding see real results like lower turnover, fewer injuries, higher employee engagement, and faster time to productivity. It's not magic, it's structure, it's clarity, and it makes massive difference. If you're tired of constant issues, missteps, or confused new hires, let's fix the root of it, your onboarding. At Voyage, we help build onboarding systems that work for you and your team. Visit Voyage-ES or reach out to see how we can help your next new hire become your next long-term success.